Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and in today's video I have a handbag unboxing. Now it's been a while since I've unboxed any handbag on my channel, so I'm actually really excited to share with you guys what I picked up. Now, if you haven't heard, YSL is rumored to have a price increase. So there was the price increase, and then also there is a special color, more of a seasonal color that they had that ultimately I was like, I cannot pass it up. Plus, I really wanted to have this type of style handbag in my collection. Anyways, it just got shipped to my house and I haven't seen it. I will tell you that when I went to purchase this, they have those not great photography online. It's a little bit hard to see the color. You probably know it's going to be something that goes with all of my brown and beige bags. But guys, let's get right into this. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, so pretty. Okay, this is a classic style from YSL. We have the camera bag. This is brand new. I'll put the price up, what I paid for it. It was under $2,000. Here's the thing, this handbag, it's always been on the list of handbags from, especially from YSL, and I've been wanting more of a casual handbag that could be more carefree in my collection. I have a lot of Chanel, Celine, Dior handbags, and I just wanted something I didn't have to really fuss over. This is in the color cinnamon, and I think it's so pretty. And the best part is this back pocket. This, I think, is a perfect everyday travel bag. So it's one big, no dividers, just a big open hole, and it does have that pocket on the side, and I think that's so amazing. When this style first came out, there was like no pocket, and I think that's a total game changer. One of the reasons why I love my Chanel 19 back there is because there is that back pocket. Again, my Chanel 19s, whether it's the lambskin or the tweed, they're a bit more delicate. I believe this is a beautiful chevron calfskin leather. It just feels really nice. It has all these holes, so you can adjust the length of the strap. So I probably will wear this mainly as a crossbody. I'm 5'2", guys, so I'll just model this really quick. I might even put it on the shortest one. Again, this is cinnamon, and I think it's such a pretty shade. It's definitely more of like that tan, like when you have brown tones, I would say it's more that medium, not like a deep, rich chocolate brown even, but this is like probably more in the middle. So maybe I'll even bring over a few of my tan handbags so you can see a little bit of my shade comparison. But what do you guys think about this pocket? I think that's amazing. I really wanted a handbag that was more fuss-free in my collection. I do like how it's a chevron design from YSL. I think that's really pretty. It's clean, it's modern. I think the age gold hardware is nice. It doesn't like stick out, even though it's a bigger logo here, but it's not like a super bright gold either. There's no feet on this, but it's gonna be mainly like crossbody and shoulder carry. I know a couple of you guys have this handbag, and you guys can fit a lot in this bag. This is the shortest setting, and I'm 5'2", guys, pretty petite. This color combination, the back pocket, and just wanting more of that carefree bag, I had to grab this one, especially if there's the price increase coming. So I don't know if it's going to be affected on this particular style. I just really wanted a more casual bag, and I was more sensitive to this color running out. Let me grab a few of my tan bags so you can see more of the color variants. I just think color shade comparisons are so interesting. 3 different design houses. This is the Hermes Classic Gold color. And then you have my cinnamon color. I would definitely say this is more like richer brown. And this is my Chanel. You can see too. I think the shade color is a little bit better here. This is my Louis Vuitton Cognac, and yeah, there's definitely, you can see more like orange tones in this Louis Vuitton. Should get like a Celine bag. This is a dark beige. You can definitely see a difference here. Total different tones and shades here. If you're wondering, I do have the tassel. It like fell off when I was unboxing, but I did want to add that. Here is my caramel from the 21P, the infamous caramel from Chanel. So I did want to show that. So you can see here, I think there's more peach, like peach undertones when it comes to the Chanel color. Guys, what do you guys think about my latest handbag to my collection? I'm really excited. I think this is going to be great, especially with the holidays, travel. Let me know, do you own this handbag? What do you think of this color? I'm actually super excited to have this, and it looks even better in person than it does online, because again, those online pictures don't do it justice. I haven't been in YSL store in quite a hot minute, and I probably need to go in. I've been a little bit more consumed with Celine and some of these other handbags, and this was one bag that I'm glad to finally add in the collection. I think this is a good one. So if you're thinking about it, I'd say yes. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.